Adjectives of number. Welcome to another chapter of iedubook.com, providing you free education in maths, economics, accounts, and many more. Today we are going to understand about adjectives of number. Now, we saw earlier about adjectives of quantity. Okay? Where we saw that, there were words which were like much, some, little, and others. Right? These words were basically answering the question, how much? Right? When we come to adjective of numbers, these show us how many person or things are there. Right? So if I ask you, how many students opted for commerce in standard 11, what will be your answer? You will not say there were little students who opted for commerce in standard 11. You will not say there were much students who opted for commerce in class 11th. Right? But you can say some students opted for commerce. But if you say some students opted for commerce, again this sum was used here also. But the only difference is this question is answering how many instead of how much. Let's take some more examples to explain this concept. All grown men have beards. Okay? So now if you use the word all here, okay, if you had a question, how much men have beard? Is that okay? It sounds a little absurd. But if you see how many men have beard, you can answer it using this particular word all. So all basically is an adjective of number. It's answering the question, how many person or things are there? Right? Let's take another example. Several kids came to participate in dance competition. Again, the word several here. It's answering the question, how many kids came to participate in dance competition? Right? Many students were absent from extra classes on Saturday. The word many, it's an adjective. Why? Because it is kind of describing about the students, which is the noun. Right? And it's answering the question, how many? Right? And let's say, for example, few out of thousands of students get through MBA entrance exams. Again, the word few here, it's an adjective of number. It's telling about the students who qualify through MBA entrance exams, and it's telling how many, right? So all these kinds of adjectives which describe about the noun and answer the question how many are known as adjectives of number.